Target Trading Academy.
Good afternoon, everybody. Preston Vogl here at Target Trading Academy with today's micros market recap. Let's get right into it. It is Thursday, the 6th of April at the New York close. I just want to make a note. Tomorrow's Good Friday. It's a holiday. Market's only open till noon. Generally, we don't stick around past noon anyways, but as such, it being a holiday, we expect the volume to usually teeter off. And so we most likely won't have anything tomorrow in terms of videos for trades, as we don't advocate trading during a holiday anyways. It's just lack of volume is not going to make it fun, and it's already choppy as is in these markets as of late. But let's get started. In oil, we opened inside the range, and we didn't leave it. We opened inside the range from yesterday, didn't leave it. We opened just slightly below that close, and then today we closed just around that close from yesterday itself. As far as gold goes, we did open ever so slightly below the close. That 8:30 news came out, got the close, and then again another selling day for gold. You can see they had stopped dead at that HVA edge that was drawn the night before. Yes, you heard me correct. That was drawn the night before. Bounced off of it, gave potential entry to students, and then another one right there, and then another one right there. And this one on the short side just didn't work out. It's a large area to be putting a stop placement. That's something that we had instructed our students on and how they may potentially handle that entry. But ultimately, it came back for another long entry, finalized by closing down here on that edge. As far as our equities go, we opened in the ES. Let me scroll this back here. Inside the balance, had a general sell-off. It looked like sellers were really pushing that button, trying to make new lows. They just could not break this area here around this 97 mark. So buyers stepped in, and you can see once the buyers stepped in and they got above those opening highs, it really became a matter of when are they going to, make new highs instead of are they going to make new highs. The pressure was on. It was a choppy and grindy move all day long, but nonetheless, it was a very directional move. And what do we say? Usually around that lunchtime, they make the move. But today they made it earlier. They made it around 11 with that directional move, and then they got choppy. So they are changing their strategy ever so slightly, it appears. Appears that they are going to be more or less making a move before lunch and then sideways for the remainder of the day. As far as the NASDAQ goes, similar story with the exception of where we opened. We pretty much opened right on the low from yesterday, just slightly above it. And then we had that sell-off, and then again, that buyer wasn't letting them get below that 956 mark area. And then again, new highs, directional move at lunch, and then around 2 o'clock, it just gets sideways. So I'm telling you, that's probably the new move, their new strategy that they've got going on. What does it do for you? Well, it doesn't do too much for you in terms of trade potentials. You still are supposed to be trading what's in front of you. You don't speculate what's going to happen or what's going on. If a trade is present, you're either going to take it or you're not. If you're going to take it, well, what is it worth? Again, if you are interested in learning more information about these levels that are drawn the night before and how you can get them onto your charts the night before as well, or if you're interested in the instruction given every day that the markets are open, feel free to reach out to us. We are Target Trading Academy. You can find us on Facebook, or you can go to our website at targettrading.co. Again, that is targettrading.co. Get in touch with a consultant at either location. They'll gladly show you what we do in our rooms each and every day, and you'll be able to see for yourself why we are the #1 training education company in the world. We look forward to having you there.